Meaning of ETH.
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 ETH. ETH is a cryptocurrency, or digital currency, that operates on the Ethereum blockchain, a decentralized platform for building smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Launched in 2015, ETH is the native currency of the Ethereum platform and is used to pay for transaction fees and computational services provided by the network. ETH can also be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges and is one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Like other cryptocurrencies, ETH's value is subject to fluctuations based on market demand and overall adoption of the Ethereum platform.